All right, guys, we're back. Another video, baby. This is the last one of the month. Video 31. It's been a crazy grind, posting every single day. Let's eat this food. Let's talk about this. All right, so in this butter, we're going panko and then Frank's Red Hot seasoning. Super simple, but this is what's gonna coat the chicken when we bake it in the oven. Smell that spice immediately. You gotta have the melted butter too. It helps bind it all together. A little bit of panko, a little bit of butter. Super simple. And then we'll do some salt and pepper on there as well. Just go ahead and give it a mix. Should turn a nice red. You should smell it immediately, the Frank's. Ooh, it's fragrant. Salt and pepper, let's do it. All right, now let's coat these. This time we did it directly on the pan, so I don't have as much loss as I did the last time we did a baked chicken. I feel like this strat is it's definitely where it's at. Nice spread on there. Spread that one out a little better. It was a little thick in the middle. Oh, it smells really good though, the Frank's. Check it out. Gonna get this chicken in the oven with the carrots. All we gotta do is make mashed potatoes. We got roasted carrots, baked chicken. Let's rock. It's looking damn delicious. Butter, sour cream. Oh, there's more sour cream. And one more. All right, we're just gonna mix this all the way in. We're gonna get some salt and pepper in here too. Salt and pepper to taste. If you feel like you need a little bit more butter or sour cream, go ahead. We used russet potatoes here instead of the Yukon Golds. So sometimes you need to add a little bit more butter and cream to those to get the desired, consistency that you're looking for. It's all preference. All right, let's get some salt and pepper in here. Pepper action. Let's mix that in. This looks great. Potatoes. They're delicious. Roasted carrots came out looking delicious. Nice little crispy. You get the potatoes and then the chicken. Chicken's got maybe a couple more minutes, but it's looking delicious. I like baking chicken with like the little panko on top. It's a good vibe. Good morning, guys. I fell asleep last night, the usual, but we're gonna chat real quick once I get this camera set up. Yeah, I'll cover myself up a little bit. Man, we hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm lost for words, man. The support is overwhelming. It's amazing. I'm very thankful, very grateful. Hash Pirate, man, big shout out to the GOAT right here. He's edited every single video. I've edited a couple of One Dab reviews, but my man's right here really does edit all this shit, dude. So I couldn't do it without you. Big thank you. To the community, man, thank you guys. You guys are watching. You guys are liking the content. You're interacting. You're helping us build something here. So I'm very appreciative for it. Let's get a little session together in this video. I'm gonna vlog a little bit today and just talk about the YouTube channel and what the plans are. So let's sesh. Cheers, yo. All right, I got some clothes on. Also, in this video, if you're watching right now, drop a comment. What should the giveaway comment be? Just say, I want to win, all right? Drop a comment, I want to win. Everyone that does that exact comment, I want to win, you can drop multiple comments. You'll be entered in giveaway. What's the giveaway? It's a mystery box from JimTanna. If you don't know JimTanna, that's where me and my wife, we sell our art, tart pearls, and like smoking accessories. So if you want to check it out and support the store, JimTanna.com. The link will be in the description. But we're going to do a Delta Munchies giveaway as well. So we're going to have 2 giveaways, 2 winners. All you got to do is comment, I want to win. That's it, all right? Let's get this day started, man. I'm ready to smoke right now. It's like, what time is it? 6:45. Okay, I'm not ready to smoke. It's too early. I'll see you guys in like an hour in this vlog. It's way too early. Yo, cheers everybody that's watching. I just turned my sauna on. We're about to get the sauna going right now. About to probably do it for about an hour at 140 degrees. If you don't know, I love the sauna. It's great for your mental health. It's good for your overall health. Work out, man. That's something that we need to do on this channel. Hopefully we could do it together. I need to get in good shape, good mental health, good physical health. I want to live till 85, 90, man. I don't want to have a heart attack at 50. So we got to get in shape, baby. Sauna. Let's rock. Let's go, man. We just ended that stream. It was insane, dude. Back-to-back Apex dubs. Hash ended the fucking stream with a trick shot Kraber to get the dub. If you're not joining the live streams, man, you're missing out. You're missing out, bro. Woo! Face is probably super red. I just got out of the sauna. Sauna's great, man. I actually love this thing. We bought it. I'll show you guys real quick. We bought this 5 or 6 years ago. It was pretty expensive. I think it was like 3 or 4 grand, but I've used this thing hundreds of times. Definitely, it's gone through 3 houses with us. Definitely got the value out of it, and I'll keep it because it still works. So I'm sure I'll use it a couple hundred more times. You'll see more on this channel. You know, more health and wellness type things as well as we evolve the content here and just kind of figure out all the things that we want to put on here. It's mainly just gonna be things that we enjoy doing. That's the most important thing, is just making content that me and JimTanna like making, because that's how you avoid like the burnout that you hear a lot of like content creators talk about, you know, a couple years into YouTube. It's people just like forcing content, right? Making stuff that for views instead of what they want to make. So anybody that enjoys it, man, you're appreciated, because we're just gonna keep making stuff that me and JimTanna like. That's the goal. I see Tada just staring at me. Hold on, let me get a little zoom in on there. Oh, sunbathe. Cozy ass dog. Speaking of dogs, check this out. JimTanna's working on this. I showed you guys in the last vlog, I think, but it's coming together. It's pretty dope. This is what it'll look like at the end. There'll be more rug stuff on here. I'm gonna try to make one of these soon as well. JimTanna's gonna try to teach me how to do it. So many colors. Mine will be a little simpler than that. Let's take a dab, and then again, thank you guys for the 10,000 subscribers, man. On to 15,000. Let's do this. All right, let's torch this up. Cheers, everybody. I guess the temp, it wasn't too hot. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to enter the giveaway. If you don't know how to enter the giveaway, you better re-watch this because it's in here somewhere. Peace.